episode this week, well, hopefully anyway, I have less things to do in it. Hopefully we might get the next episode, episode 11, up to Patreon a little bit quicker if you want. Today we're going to finally make a start now that we have the text system, and drawing our text boxes and everything like that. We're able to call them, we have entities with which to kind of summon those text boxes. We're going to make a start on the response system, so you can have, a dialogue with a character or even a signpost or whatever. We'll show you something in the text box and we'll show you options that you'll be able to select one of those options and then either get more text boxes or cause something else to happen in the game. But in order to get that started, what I'm going to do in this episode is just create the system by which we draw those responses on the text box, and we're able to kind of cycle between on the keyboard. And that way everything's in place for the next file, which will be a bit more complicated. Because visual effects artists and filmmakers, if you're looking to step up your game and take your visuals to the next level, it's time to invest in yourself by learning something new. However you want to do dialogue in your game, you're going to have to build in some sort of system that allows you to put that dialogue somewhere, right? And put the messages that you want to have appear into your game and have it linked to responses that you can give, and have those responses linked to further actions by the game, right? So, if you imagine a flowchart of something a character says, and then you give a response, a yes or no response to that, what should happen as a result of either of those responses? Now, there's all sorts of different frameworks and ways you can go about setting this up. I'm going to go for one that just allows us to input the data in the simplest way possible, and is one of the easiest to build. I don't know necessarily that it's the best system long term, but as far as I can imagine, I think it should scale and be manageable for a small to medium-sized project. So how we're going to do it is we're going to build on what we already have here, where we go into our variables of a particular entity and we simply write in what text we want to appear when the entity is activated. We're essentially going to make it so that you, instead of just writing in the string you want to appear, we write in one long string that contains both the message we want to show and the responses that we want to offer, and we'll use symbols in the string to mark where those responses are. So we'll have, say, how are you doing today? Fine, thank you. I don't know, I've been better. As one whole string with some markers on it to show what the responses are and what's just the message. And then we'll also have where those markers are, a number that is going to refer to what should happen if the player picks that response. And then we're quite simply going to have a single script, which is a huge switch statement that just contains all of the different responses that we want to have in the game. And we just select them by ID. And honestly, outside of building your own third-party tools to manage with flowcharts and dialogues and stuff, this is actually one of my favorite ways of handling this kind of thing. I think it's very simple, it's easy enough to manage, it's all in one place, and it already begins the work of helping with localization by tying strings to ID numbers, and automatically builds in the flexibility to do other things with your text rather than just have text and responses lead onto more text. You can have them lead onto other scripts that either give you items or cause things to happen in the game very, very easily. A lot of people don't like the idea of having a huge switch statement. It's going to come in the getting those restricted. So I'm going to go first of all to our text object and just add a couple of things in the creator then that are fairly temporary. Responses is going to be an array of all the different responses that we might have in a text box, and that is something we will add to the text box in the future when we create it via another script or a sort of a modified version of the new text box script that will sort of take in responses and will parse the string and work out where those responses are. That's the kind of big chunky thing that we're going to be doing in the next episode, because it's quite a long script and I want to be able to go through it in detail. But for now, we'll just give a couple of dummy responses that will be test response and test response 2. Okay, again, just using that kind of new way to write an array in Gaming Studio 2, just opening square brackets. entry number 0, and entry number 1, right there. And then the only other thing I'll need, this one isn't temporary, actually, this is just a variable we need. Response selected is going to equal 0, we're just going to store which response we currently have like highlighted. Or maybe that should be stored actually in response selected. It's not something. It's the same thing, I guess. Anyway, so 0, which means it'll be pointing it for your first response every time. Something to bear in mind design-wise. That whatever option you're going to have highlighted by default will be whatever the first response is. We're thinking about that. The next thing I want to do is come into the draw GUI step. Draw GUI step, draw GUI event. Step, similar thing, event, I guess is the correct word. And then after we've got the text that we want to draw here, we're going to add some more stuff to it. So if responses 0 does not equal -1, because that's that's what will be in this array if we haven't put any responses into the text box, okay? So eventually we'll go back and we'll change this in the create event to just be -1, the first entry, and then if we actually create responses, it'll get overwritten with new entries, alright? So assuming that there are responses to add, and text progress greater than or equal to string length message. Let's maximize this. Bad habit might have the black tiny boxes in the workspace. Now we'll just make it a little bit bigger as well. So assuming our text has finished the displaying essentially like our text progress is full string, we'll then show the options that we want the player to be able to respond. So if that's the case, we're going to cycle through our responses and do that with a simple for loop. One, and then when I equals 2, it'll be the length of that. We'll break out the loop.
You want to discover how to succeed on YouTube without ever even showing your face with AI?
So, for each response, first of all, we're going to want to add a new line. So print plus equals /n. Alright, that will always get translated into meaning line break. Has a special name for that kind of thing in text. Let me see what it is in the manual. It's 8 characters. That's what they're called. Either way, when you write this into a string, it's going to be interpreted as meaning a new line. There's a whole bunch of these as well, like /b represents backspace, and there's a whole bunch of other things. If you want to type like a backslash by itself, you do 2 of those, and so on. It's also what you use for inserting like tabs, Unicode characters, and that kind of thing. Anyway, we want to add a new line before each response, and then if I equals response selected, we want to add essentially what I'm going to do. We want to do something to highlight that this response is the response we have currently highlighted, right? Either by drawing an arrow pointing towards it, or like changing the font color, or whatever else. Changing the font color is tricky for us because we're just drawing the whole thing here rather than drawing everything character by character or line by line. So I'm just going to take a really simple approach by adding some arrows around the text. So before we add the response itself, we're going to add an arrow. So print plus equals towards arrow and a space in there, so it's not right next to it. Then add the response to print, like that. And last of all, we'll put an arrow on the other side as well. So if I equals response selected print plus equals left arrow space dot. We'll make sure that's all closed off correctly. Yep. If you don't, I'm sure you probably know by now, but if you highlight in the brackets, or it basically shows you like where they close. Really handy, just making sure like it's very easy to write like too many brackets or not enough. Just select them there. If you write too many, you'll start seeing them like you'll get ones that like come, you'll get this red thing here, and you'll be able to see like, oh, okay, I can see where that's gone wrong. So with that done, I'm going to pop over to the step event. I'll just go straight to it from here. Of our text object again. Zoom out just so we can see the whole thing. And at the moment you can see the only interaction we have with the text drawing process, with this, our animation, and then we've got our little bit down here. The only interaction we have is pressing spacebar to skip towards the end of the message. Just above this, what I'm going to do is add a section just to cycle through responses. So I'll call it that, cycle through responses. First of all, we just need to get our keys. I'm just going to copy and paste this bit in because typing it takes a while and it's exactly the same code we've seen before for our player. Key up is going to equal either the up or down keys or W and S. And then based on that, response selected plus equals key down minus key up. Just so that, if you press both at the same time, they'll cancel each other out. And then we just want to make sure that if you go over the top of the responses or the bottom, we wrap around. Normally I do have a script for wrapping around, that just called wrap. But rather than bringing the script up, you have to go and get. I'll just show you how to do this manually. It's worth knowing how to do it. It's not exactly very complicated.
So you mean education is boring and the 3D tasks will left that? Would you be worried about your children?
I see a lot of parents invest lots of time. We just need a maximum and a minimum. Var max equals array length 1D responses minus 1, because obviously the length of our current dummy array would be 2. There's 2 entries in it. But the maximum we want response selected to hit would be 1, because it'd be either entry 0 or entry 1, right? That maximum will be however many entries there are in the array minus 1. And then var minimum equals 0. Then really, really simply, I don't think I have to explain this. Response selected greater than max. Response.
Hello. Discord, invite. Hey. Hold up. Is it not updated? But the Discord is pretty much dead. It wasn't updated for quite some time. Okay, let me see. How do I... Big boy betas. Welcome.
Selected.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. It's quite rare to have someone coming into my channel. You? Coco good. Hi.
The equals min.
If response selected, if response selected is more than max, then set response selected equal to min. Same thing for the maximum.
And if response selected less than min, response selected equals max. Pretty self-explanatory. And then we have those debug sort of dummy responses already in place, which will just be in place on every text message we have. So if I talk to this guy, it'll be hello there, test response.
Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, what the fuck. Variable not set before reading. O text step number 13. Plus equal key down, key up. The response selector is not set. Or is that like a typo or something? Line 13 response selected plus equal key down minus key up. Key down is a positive number, key up is the negative number. Reference key up not set before reading. Oh wait, capital K, small k. That was a typo. Okay, let's try. Okay, that works. Oh fucking hell. Almost work. Okay, not set before reading. Response selected. GML line 15. O text draw line 15. If I'm equal to responses selected, it's not responses, it's response selected without the S. Response. Okay, save run. Okay, it worked. Oh fuck, the text is going up and down way too fast. Yeah, shouldn't use press and hold. That means for the step function, I shouldn't use check, I should use button pressed. Only on press, so it should only work once. Okay, nice. You know what, I think I should remove the dash at the front. It doesn't look right. Let's remove this part. Up, down. Okay, looking good. Dude, what are you on the grind? It's holiday. Fuck you. I'm still on my intern. I just finished, I just came home. Like 30 minutes ago. Not really 30 minutes. 1 hour ago. I had my dinner. I went to shower. Turn on my computer. Turn on OBS, start streaming, and then start writing code again. Oh, fuck my life, man. Before I hire you, I need someone to hire me first.
Test response 2. Apparently we messed up. We put the space. I think we put the space on the other end of the arrow. But that's easily fixed. Because the signpost it shows the same thing. Like just go and fix that real.
Yeah. By the way, let me show you something. Have you heard of the word doom scroll? Content maxing. Yeah, so it's in dark. Wait a minute, did PyCharm UI changed? Why is it so dark? What the fuck? Just my screen. Yeah, PyCharm UI changed. Okay, anyways, let me show you what I've been doing just for fun. Okay, have you heard of doom scrolling? AI generated videos. Reddit stories. Okay, so I got this chunk of code here. And this one you see here is a bunch of oddly satisfying videos. Let me just paste this on my second monitor.
Most people have no
Oops.
clue that in 2023 the best way to make money on Amazon.
And this is from oddly satisfying. And then from oddly satisfying is a good 30 minutes video. And then from this one, I downloaded the video. So just for testing, I put in 4 URL. In the future, this one will just look through a random video from oddly satisfying or some other satisfying channel. Okay, so after getting the video, I split the video into smaller pieces. Shing. Okay, the main videos are here, about 200 KB each. Afterwards, I throw into some video splitting library, and then every video was split into small parts. So each one of these is one small video. Yeah, you can see on the second monitor, each one of these is a very small video. So there's like, I think there's 2,000 video in total for now because I only downloaded a bit. Okay, so the next part is to stitch all this video together. After stitch together, next is to generate audio. Okay, let's see what.
The magician casted Holy Sphere, dealing 1,000 damage.
Okay, not this one, not this one. That was loud. That was loud. Oh, anyways, after the audio is generated through 11 labs. Where's my main.py? Stitch video, random video, new audio generate through the random labs text to speech. Afterwards, throw in the text to speech into the newly stitched video. And then from the newly stitched video, we need to shorten down to just the text to speech MP3 files length. And then at the same time, also cut down the video, like crop the video to mobile phone size. TikTok size.
Once upon a circuit board, Skyworks Inc. and its semiconductor rivals were all about making the best chips. While others like Megachips Tech and Silicon Masters focused on sheer power,
Okay, so now we have the random generator videos with text to speech from 11 labs put together. Then the last part will be adding subtitles, caption. So I connect to the Capwing API to generate the caption.
Once upon a circuit board, Skyworks Inc. and its semiconductor rivals were all about making the best chips. While others like Megachips Tech and Silicon Masters focused on sheer power, Skyworks had a knack for blending innovation with a touch of
Oh yeah, Skyworks is the company I'm working for right now.
Megachips boasted about
It's
their
a semicon company.
processors.
So
Silicon Masters
doing
wanted
work,
their
I just
super efficient
run
design.
around to create some random generator videos.
They showcased a chip that could power wearables and smart devices.
Yep. So with this one, the next part is instead of taking ChatGPT generated random stories, someone suggested that I just take straight from Reddit. You know, all those stories from Reddit. Like creepypasta or whatever shit. Okay, hear me out. There's gonna be a lot of content. And then I'm gonna be writing a Python script connected to Reddit's API. I don't know if Reddit have API, but yes, connect to the Reddit API. Scrape the data. Every time a new post enter, I see the post, see if the post have enough content, at least 100 to 300 words. Take it out, plug it in, plagiarize it, put it into a video, upload it. Every 24 hours, upload one new video. Sounds like content, right? Passive income. Yeah, why is the text on my phone coming in so slow? And this guy is truly a software dev. That's content. No, it's not. It's not just content. It's stolen content. And then the next part will be stolen game content. Yeah, exposing myself. Feel free to. No, please don't sue me. I haven't done anything yet. I 没有做. Okay, so shit, I forgot what I wanted to do. Oh yeah, I need to finish watching this tutorial. And then most likely I'm gonna be playing Stardew Valley in like 30 minutes, I think. Ayo, Wilfred.
If that was just one talk here. Yeah, yes, we put the space on the wrong side of that, alright? It should look like that instead.
Okay.
But that's pretty much all there is to it. Yeah, so simple episode this week. I've been trying to where I can, bring the duration of these videos down a little bit. Sorry if that means, those of you who are alright with it, and it's like you want to get more content, so I apologise for that to some of you, but I know that also like these episodes being really long all the time can be kind of fatiguing. So I kind of thinking about not only people who are
See ya, man.
come out
Bye bye. Enjoy.
But also the people who are going to watch in the future to be able to sort of break it down into more bite-sized chunks. Sorry about that. If you prefer kind of a longer format, feel free to let me know. I always use feedback, whether you prefer the episode being like 30 to 40 minutes or whether you prefer me to try and sort of keep it down to around the 20-minute mark. It is really tough. It's really tough doing just coming up with the code in the first place that can even conceivably fit in it. I listen to sleep. You like me to do something nice. Hello everybody, welcome to episode 11. Today we're going to be finishing off the response aspect of our dialogue system. So now we can talk to this character here and he says something and we have a couple of responses we can select between. These responses are just dummy responses though that we built into the create event of our text object. So we also need, first of all, to put in a way to get those responses from the NPC itself. So we're going to be able to do that so we can get whatever responses we want from a particular NPC or a signpost or whatever it is we happen to be interacting with, and then actually use that as part of creating the text box. And then we need to make it so that when we actually select one of those options, something can happen. Either we can call another script or we can call more dialogue with more possible responses and so on. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the data in the place that we want it to be. So I'm going to come into our village ring and select this dude, go to variables, and you can see where we already input can I zoom in on that? Apparently zooming in on that just zooms in on the room, doesn't zoom in on the actual thing. I'll just have to zoom in it in the video editing. So I'll zoom in it there. Okay. So you can see we already have actually activate arcs, and we have the message that we want to show, and the background that we want to show on that text box. What I'm going to do is add a comma, and I'm going to put the responses that we want to be able to get in here. But we don't just want to extend the length of this array forever with like option A, option B, like based on just however many responses we want to give. What's slightly easier for us in order to iterate through the options and put them in the correct place in the text box is to actually put another array inside this array. We can easily do that in the exact same way we define this array, just with another couple of square brackets as our third argument, okay? And then whatever we put in here will make up that array within the array. So in this array within the array, we're going to give two responses. Okay, I'm going to put response A and
RESPONSE.
I suppose I could have come up with something more flavorful, I don't know. So we got hello there, and then you'll have response A and response B. The other thing we need to put in here, in this array on each individual entry, is something to tell our game what to do if that response is selected. Because at the moment we get highlight when these responses we press enter, but there's nothing to tell our game what to do based on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to use numbers. We're going to have numbers, and each number will refer to doing a different thing that will be identified in a script that we'll write later. So this number, you can think of it as like a unique identifier for each response. Okay, the one I'm going to have for response A is just going to be the number 1. And I'm going to put it right at the start of that string, so 1 response A. And then put a colon in between the two. You can use any symbol for this, really.
Just JSON format.
Because we're going to remove it from the text right away when we process it with our new text box script. But I'm just going to use a colon here. So we find the number at the start, that's the unique identifier of what we want this response to do. Then a colon to indicate that's where that number ends, so that we can put as many digits like on the digits as we want without worrying about that. So just going to look for the first instance of a colon in order to put it up, and then the response itself. And then obviously we need to do the same thing in response B, and that can be 2. Somehow sure. So we've got option 1 and option 2, and we'll do different things. And those will be unique numbers throughout your game that will tell the game what it needs to do if the player gives that particular response. I say that unique identifiers, but you could have some responses to do the same thing depending on what they are. Maybe you've got like maybe the 73 or whatever is your shop response, and always will have the same shop no matter which NPC you talk to give that response to. It'll be, but anyway, that's what your values look like. Do take a moment, make sure you've got this one right. It's very, very easy. Obviously, at this point, it's such a small box, putting in all these quotation marks to identify strings, square brackets to identify arrays, and commas to separate these values. Make sure you've got the right numbers everywhere. Okay, so the whole thing can be in one set of square brackets. You can have your initial message, the background number, and then another array as your third comma separated value here, containing 2 comma separated strings, which would be then colon separated from the number and the responses. Okay, so it's what I like to put in one place, so just make sure you've got that down accurately. Alright? Okay, so with that data in place, and there's more than one way you can do that, by the way. I'm using this in the room editor. It's easy, there's always, lots of loading, these files, that's easier for you to manage, and so on. But just brought a quick setup here, it's very easy for us to just stick the arguments into the variable definition from the room editor, so that's what we're doing. So now that it's done, before we do anything else, I'm going to go to text and actually remove this delete responses thing that we've got set up here, because we are going to define that variable in the new text box script, so we don't need to worry about doing it here in case it gets overridden by when how execute becomes a text object that doesn't actually create event. So we don't want to override anything we defined in the text box with anything in create event of text. And then with that done, we'll close these and open up the new text box. So overridden by when how execute becomes a text object that doesn't actually create event. We don't want to override anything we defined in the text box with anything in create event of text. And then with that done, we'll close these and open up the new text box. We don't need to remove that box. Close that down. So what we're going to do in here, as you can see, or as you just saw rather, in our OQuest NPC, the variable we have.
Junhao, ni hao. What the fuck is this? This is our Game Maker Studio.
The third argument for this. Currently we process the first argument, which is our message, and the second argument, if I count the greater one. And now we process that third argument, which is a little more complicated, which is that fancy array.
New text box script.
Define. So I'm going to press enter here and write if argument count greater than 2. Alright, so we know we have a third.
If instance exists, message 0 with or player right above the leaf. Here, if. Message count more than 2? No, argument count more than 2. Unreal when? Unreal? 3D a bit hard. I'm sticking to 2D indie.
So with that on, what we want to do is trim the markers from responses. We identify that one for one after you go. We want to remove those from responses and store them in a separate array, because we're going to have an array of responses and
Unreal
an
is
array
like.
of response scripts. Okay?
Wait, is Unreal free?
Response 0 will call response script 0, response 1 will call response script 2, and so on. So right here is our comment trim markers from responses. And we're going to do this simple for bar, bar, 0, I less than array, length 1D.
Wait, Unity can also do 2D games, right? Will Unity be better? Less than array length or responses. RESPONSES.
Right, so we have that alignment, and it mostly contains what we want to have in responses in the end, in an array where you can see the string response we want to get.
Unity is for 2D, Unreal is for 3D. Hold on, let me just search for some videos. 2D game Unity. Okay, there's so many
Regular
videos.
income streams. US Treasuries might be your choice.
Is it easier?
It's not really to game. I'm not back to avoid everything, so I'm just going to right here. See that there's to focus on it. We should be on to our north base. And I'm going to go to form tiles, and voila! We can now see all of our tile maps with the comments. Until then, I recommend just playing around with Unity and having some fun sketching out your own levels. Also, if you like this video and the content in general, consider supporting us on
Unreal uses C++, Blueprint. Unity uses C#. GameMaker uses GameMaker language. Kinda similar to... It's very similar to C. It's like C. Wait, the game you're making, are you making 2D or 3D? The one that you're planning to do, I saw you doing VFX and shit.
but I guess it's what's going on to the right away. Then the first thing I want to do in school with the first entry in our now response to is find where that program is. So far, after the beginning, this is why it's not important, maybe we have to put that program in the problem. After the equals string was then this program or substring. You can see it on here, you want substring and string. The substring that we're looking for inside the string is program, and the string that we're looking for here is responses are. Right, so we'll take the first entry of the array, and the second entry of the array, and so on. We're going to find the position of this string, one for one, and we'll find the first one, one for the left, because it's directly more than one. So the way this handles is, goes into this array, once we've everything else, and it's find
And now I feel like learning Unity.
so counting from the left, and then counting on what we have, which is like the one for one response A, right, so it's going to be the one, and then it's going to be the one, so it's going to have to do not very much. So then now
Should I go and try Unity before I get too far into this?
As for the latter, we're going to have another array called response selected. Sorry, we've already got that response selected. Response script. Response script. Square bracket I. String copy. Responsive I. Starting with the first bracket. Marker significant -1. Okay, so then I'll put it by and then rather than let it in the out. Just get that in. just one matching number as a string inside the box. And we want to do is then convert that from string into a real number, response strings. I equals real response.
Unity easier because it got more resources. I see. Yeah, makes sense. Does make sense. That's what most people do when they start a new programming language. Yeah, we have more tutorials online.
Well, string, delete, responses, let's look at it very similarly to string mapping to do with quite string we want to operate on what we're doing on the response methods. So we the first section of the document for mapping it, if we delete those, we can instead return to the app. Right, so the first one, put the mark in because where the one to be, effectively give the string or whatever you want, but if you go back to the responses, and then at the end of this, if argument.
I do try both Unreal and Unity. Unity is really easy because work based on update. Every script got start and update. And when you write code based on those, yeah, I should go and learn Unity just for fun. I think it's better than starting Game Maker language from scratch. But I'm already this deep into it. So I can move my character. I can press WASD. I can bang the wall. I can roll. I can talk. Wait, oh fuck, I can't talk now. Every script. Wait a minute. By that, does it mean that all those basic script is already given? Is there like a template I can follow? Is there like a 50 videos worth of tutorials I can watch that is all linked together? I go find when I got time. But Unity sounds interesting now. Yeah, I never thought of using Unity. Well, at first I also thought making game was just basic scripts. And then it's like so fucking complicated for some reason. It's like okay, it's not that complicated. It's more of because I'm new to this. Okay, first thing you start off with the room. And then you create one parent room. So that every child of that room will inherit the parents' variables. So that the most common one being the size of the camera and the size of the room. So that when you go to transition to another room, the size of your camera is still the same. So your character size is still the same. And yeah, that's just one small thing that it take like a 30-minute video to explain. Oh yeah, talking about that, I need someone to draw. Right now, these things you're looking at are all free online assets. Stolen, plagiarized. But I think 2D game is like a lot easier to make. A lot easier to sell also. Yeah, I'm gonna stop writing code here. I'm gonna hop on to Stardew Valley. Yeah, 3D game. camera distance. Then you need your camera to constantly follow behind your player. And then zoom in, zoom out, scroll up, scroll down. Pick the position of the character, add some offset, do some vector math, and you got a spring arm. I do not understand any of that shit. Lemao. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Oh yeah, for the game, right, I was thinking of making it something like Undertales and Persona 5.
Mochi mochi.
Hello, I'm streaming by the way.
Oh,
Oh,
I thought you stopped already.
no, I haven't stopped. I'm still streaming.
Okay. You don't want to go and play your game? Make your game?
No, I want to play my game.
Huh?
Huh?
What? I thought someone fired on me.
Yeah.
Then?
I thought you were asking question.
Maybe I don't ask any more questions.
You scouting.
Oops. No.
Oh, I didn't make it. I'm gonna craft the what's that thing called? Goddess statue.
I need another okay. So,
Catcher, which catcher?
you know, like with F8 and all this, right? I want another catcher to catch one.
You want a catcher?
The one for money, I forgot what the hell is it for.
Catcher. No clue. Statue of Blessing. What did I get? Critical Strike plus 10. The one for money. Do you mean auto grabber?
Yes, that's right. I need it.
Okay, can.
People get it for slime, so I got to catch my slimes manually. That kind of tiring.
You can do that. I didn't know.
Yeah, I googled it can be done.
You had done that long time ago.
I didn't know can be done, until I googled just not long. Really.
Okay, I go by.
You go by?
Yeah, I go by.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Do you plant a new fresh batch of trees?
Mm.
Okay. Then I put fertilizer. 200 hardwood, nice.
I think got 25,000 gold also. Yes, I will do all that. Okay. Time to go to Robin's. Are you still at house?
Nope. You need to remove the furniture in your house soon.
Yeah. Oh, okay. But how can I make? It's not possible to go big. I need to remove this too. You want to help me to remove?
Remove what thing?
Okay, see ya.
Okay.
See my screen now.
Okay,
Okay,
active.
I will be doing this two anyway.
Remove copy.
This one.
Okay,
I need you to remove these two items. This one cannot remove one, it's part of the default. So
Are you unable to click? Cannot remove item. Okay. I'm coming back.
yeah. Just these two items. Because this one is like built in, so it's okay.
我来了。
Hmm? I have one more item for you to, you know.
Right?
It's just basically the counting. This count.
Okay, done.
Okay, done. Count is completed. Okay. You have an auto grabber ready?
Yep.
Okay, I need to have it one inside the slime type.
Okay, can.
So, okay, auto grabber. I mean, have to put inside the gate, not outside.
I got an auto petter also
For what?
to pet the animals.
I don't know for a good idea. Let me see the heart. This outside one, okay, I can collect myself. I will need it inside some. No, I need inside.
Why?
I don't want to go in.
Doesn't it go through all the things in this room?
Don't know.
Yeah, I think it goes through everything in this room.
Okay then. Then let's just leave it there and we shall see. No matter you collect. Right. If it doesn't collect, you then have to put inside. Okay, we shall see. We have the tractor ready.
Wait, we have a tractor done already.
Wait here.
Where is it? Where is it? Oh, fuck, man.
While you're busy working, I did everything for you.
I just collected all the corns, but oh, now I can't test this out. There.
You should just use the tractor to collect the corn. How is it fun?
Yep.
Thank you.
Not fun enough. Thank you.
Thank you who?
Thank you, my wife. But I could have done this on my own in 30 minutes.
Okay, I built my house finish already. Let me see what I need to do. Maybe cannot go to mines. Alright, shit, commission to do. I forgot about it totally.
Golden coconut
12
粒啊，这么多啊
Okay, I will see whether the Calico plays have something.
，12粒太多了，拿不到。
Can try, can go Ginger Island also. Got time. The main bulk of it, I heard can go Ginger Island to get.
Ginger Island.
Golden coconut. Not the normal one. Yeah, maybe I try here to see whether I can see how.
Okay, then I'll just buy one from the NPC. Does it add on to the quest? Yes, it does. Nice.
Where you go and buy?
Merchant.
Share your screen.
Okay, time to go back up.
Overseas I will something like that. No luck, I guess. No luck. Never mind.
Is it possible to get golden coconut from the desert?
No, 找不到 for now.
Right.
I ever got seeds hand but this time I don't find any, so that's why I didn't.
I have never seen it before.
I don't know, I see like Google got people manage to collect, so I don't know. Anyway, since don't have, then we have to really do Ginger Island. Ginger Island will have. You need to shake the coconut tree. And if you see that the coconut on the coconut tree is visible, means that it's highly likely a golden coconut. That's what they say.
I see.
Yes, I don't know whether true or not lah, but me it only. Right, then you know. A bit late already, my tomorrow.
I need more cakes.
You have enough? How many you want?
Like 500.
You right now. 14 only.
What are we short of? Let's see.
Not enough.
Copper and oak raisin. Oh, fuck, oak raisin. I hate oak raisin. Okay, in that case, oak raisin, I will need to go to. I need to farm.
Copper must go to the mines to farm copper. Or you can go to what's that place called? Calico Desert. You confident to do the coconut quest?
Confirm cannot finish it.
Okay.
But just gather as much as you can.
You get it from the wandering merchant.
Yeah.
So later. You might go Ginger Island tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna grow a bunch of acorn trees to
Be
make.
right back. Be right back, Isla. Oh, what email?
Email.
What people? What people green again? I don't actually literally. No, okay.
In for a job interview.
No, you're just asking some questions first, then I reply there. No?
Second round.
Yeah. I was just randomly just sending back. Apparently this is EXAXL, so I don't know, it could be another print price, but similar to I'm not sure. I don't know what's the other name, but anyway, I will try and see how it works. Not enough already, only left 30.
30.
Hey,
Hey, okay. Hey. Go and chop some more.
but what? What's more? Maybe I go to the beach. Doesn't seem to work this. I think I really have to put inside. I'm not there.
Come, I help you put. You go do your thing.
Right, you know this just this time there. Like I have to put inside. That's why it must better. Somebody. I need to go to the beach right. Beach. Okay, there.
But I don't know. I don't think.
Can try, if it doesn't work, keep it lah. But that's what I mean, I'm just based on what people say online, I just try out and you know how much.
Okay.
I need a super cucumber to dry for winter. Look at this super cucumber.
Here, right below my pants.
Alright, beach.
I think we really are our pay.
Yes, we are. Stop blocking me, student. You want to listen? Of $10. Oh, that's actually one. Looks like they can go. Shit, today's Saturday. I cannot go. I cannot go to cannot go to Ginger Island, right? Because really not working.
Cannot, man.
Oh,
I think we should
yeah, because he went out, so I don't know where he went.
can. I think can.
Okay, let's try. I don't know. Let's see.
Can we even enter his house? Oh wait, we can actually. Let me see. I just now something. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's see. Oh shit, I forgot the one. Oh yeah, this is it. Oh no. Alright, you can. Wait, please. Oh. Oh my friend. Maybe come back.
I come back just to ferry you.
Let's go. I look happy. Coconut. That's a carrot leaf.
Oh yeah, talk to the parrot. I think we got enough one.
Okay.
Clear to the west side. Okay, let's try going to the west side.
We need that.
Yeah, I need to go to the west side.
Like that is okay.
Let's see what's in the west.
Ooh, nice. Oh, a lot of stuff.
Oh, so that's what Bills was talking about.
Views?
Bill.
He also got play this game.
Yeah, he was telling us about mods.
I didn't know it's this particular game. I thought it's this other game.
No, he was talking about Stardew, and then he showed me full completed all achievements.
No, maybe I wasn't hearing the conversation because I was talking to
Okay.
Nancy. So I wasn't really like fully paying attention to the conversation. Oh! I must collect 100 more nuts from the floor. And then in the meantime, let's see, coconut, not there.
Are you watching some videos?
No, I.
Oh, I think I'm hearing some background noises. Never mind.
Say Dana. Maybe my music playing from the game. Maybe you mute my game. Oh my god, the sun is just moved up. Did I bring it? No, I didn't bring it.
Bring what?
Fishing rod. I wanted a fish, but I didn't bring my fishing rod. Oh. What is this? Baka ni suru no?
Maybe you can dig it. Oh, it's whack-a-mole. Follow the pattern. Follow the pattern. Is there a pattern?
No. See, before I go there, okay. Yeah, got a lot of interesting things, but I didn't have my fishing rod. Just finding Nemo looking stuff. What the luck is this thing?
Homeless man.
No. No?
Okay, that's not a man.
No. Oh, there's puffer fish here too as well. Oh.
Okay.
But let's see. Why I keep saying they belong to Bernie's husband?
No, hold on.
In person. 9 days, but we still got enough time. This one need 2 days. Yeah, I better get a sleep. Oh, coconut, I see. Nakanda. The block bombs with my life, which makes up with it.
Where's the coconut? You only see normal coconut.
Forgot what I said just now.
Yeah, it's just normal coconut.
There's tons of having extra coconut if you get to see it. Hearing from the tree. That plant is not, 10%. Not percent, 10%.
So small.
Oh, mussels. Oh, cool. You should come here sometime though, to explore the island. Oh, it's a cute breakfast. Looks nice. Yeah, map of this. Oh, there is. This boat is here.
Do you bring a farm totem with you?
No, I didn't. I just decided to pass out here.
Okay, I shall join you. Oh, what the fuck? Willie's close.
Really? Oh, about timing for one. Yeah.
Better luck next time.
Don't know 9 eh. 9, we still have 9 more days. No, not about it. I need to clear my seat to Bumble Button.
You just need to give, right? You need to actually catch one, right?
Check my screen, huh? Yeah, I just need to give. So maybe while you're in, you can help me. Because I cannot put you here.
And what if I don't help?
No, I'm just walking around the island here. Nothing here. What do you want me to do? No, I don't want to be blue. Little blue doesn't go away. Do I need the parrot?
I don't know. Oh, resume the express. So it's a permanent thing.
It's a what?
A permanent thing.
Oh. 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 Korea wa ii. Oh, okay, good. Oh, it's nice though. Oh, nice. Very good. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's a good thing I actually remember this. Oh, is there a wandering merchant here? Wait, is this something? Oh, yeah, it is. Wait. Might be a wandering merchant in the game, but now it's a bit dark right there.
Chances are this is a super cucumber.
Most likely it's supposed to come from how it's struggling. Oh, nice.
Oh, what happened?
I haven't go to this cutscene.
Why? How did I get dragged into your cutscene?
Really?
Yeah, my screen changed to your screen.
Oh, okay. I didn't notice. But friend, more like bird brain.
What? How can you insult him when you first met him?
Let me. Okay, no. Oh. Huh. You happen to have the same quest too, huh?
Yeah, we always have the same quest.
I guess you need 4 of it then.
4? Okay, you wanted 2? No, I just want 1. But why Sunday?
Sandy is in the desert, one, no?
Oh, okay, then tomorrow.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Ask me one. I'll put in my trash anyway. Yeah, outside my house. Oh, you're sad. What are you sad? You sad today? I'll probably just pass out here. So the island will be even bigger. I guess not. Oh, okay, interesting. Volcano. So this time I went to a volcano, then I went here. I think I haven't explored it. Just now was the jungle was here, jungle hut. Okay. So the island is this small. I thought it was bigger. Okay. Okay. Naruhodo. Okay, good night. Yasume.
Eh, 现在才9点半而已，还很早。现在才9点半。
I'm talking about my character. Okay, let's see. Oh, not this one. Oh, the speeds are epic today. Very good.
Right. I bought a catalog for wallpaper and floorings. I put it all the way on the top of the room.
Oh, I need to go find Sandy first. Wait. Oh dear.
When did I ever my super cucumber?
What else?
Make butter bread.
Go get a super cucumber.
Yeah, I need to clear my storage. Just too many stuff. Alright. So I need to manage to read here first. Maybe I'll speak this into.
How does the tractor work? Oh, I need to put the scythe on my hand.
Sure.
My question is, can I bring this into the greenhouse?
I need to go to Calico Desert.
Right.
Not so early. And then wait a while.
No, I cannot.
I guess it doesn't work.
You got light.
Done it. I thought it would work.
You got trick.
Oh, you know. It's fun here to feel. Oh, shit. And it's
Oh, blessing of butterfly. Butterfly is waiting for you somewhere in the valley. Interesting. Oh yeah, this buff gives you a lot of money.
Huh?
$50,000 if you can find the butterfly. It says blessing of the butterfly. A prismatic butterfly is waiting for you somewhere in the valley.
Maybe an autographer doesn't work on this. No, it doesn't. Not bluff. Kind of bluff. Let's go.
I think you need a mod.
Maybe. I don't know. We shall see. Stop. Let's go. Oh shit, what's wrong? Oh, it's wrong. Enjoy your butterfly hunt.
Can't find a butterfly. It's a rainbow colored butterfly.
Looks like it, I guess. Nice. Okay, I'll give it to Sandy. Now, private item not no time. Okay. Oh, ice cream, nice.
Unicycle recipe. Unicycle recipe.
Do I need to buy it again?
I can buy and craft for you.
Okay. No, I got money, can just buy.
Yeah, true.
Go lah. After this, yeah, so pop bombs naman. Let's go. I'll get more copper for you.
I just bought some copper.
Never mind, anyway, we'll use very fast.
Yeah, very fast. Just keep getting more.
Since I'm just letting since I'm here already, might as well just come to them. And I forgot to bring any somewhat, so I will just pray and hope there's something. Sometimes they will drop somewhat when you're in the mine.
Yeah.
Just pray and hope that I have, otherwise I will stick to it tonight. It was an impromptu decision.
I'm gonna be right back to the toilet for number 2.
Oh, I need the quad. I need the quad. No, that. Better hit. Oh, nice. Okay.
诶，我的衣服呢
Maybe this Asian too.
？Where's the mannequin?
Enjoy. Danny.
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah. It happens. You enjoy it?
Nice. This is how game should be like. Filled with Easter eggs. Wow, your house very big, huh?
One jealous ah.
No. Not like you got a text to place.
Huh? What?
Not like you got a text to place.
I mean, technically we can always, you know, build it. Oh my god, 240 medium. Crazy.
Hey, what I want to do. Okay, Ginger Island. Community day. What the hell is community day?
Probably just everyone meeting around and nothing much.
Okay, not interested.
Alright, I'm gonna get something before I go to the. Right. This one, and one.
Fishing rod.
Bomb. This one. I want to clear the place up.
Oh, got new community quest. Ectoplasm.
Oh, I forget that last name. Let's go get edition. You do know that time is not possible already. Like a pass that does don't even exist.
Yeah, I kill like more than 100 ghosts.
Yeah, we tried so many times, but it's not even possible. There's something here. Yeah, the community center is everybody just going there.
Yep.
Emily. Oh, Emily. Then I should stay there. Emily. Oh, here. Right. Ah, shit. We're not at home. Anyway. Emma. Go back. At home. Tuna.
Yeah, let's see what's here.
I wish we can actually teleport to the beach. That's much easier.
Actually, we can. Jinja Island. Teleport to Jinja Island.
Is there a way?
Yeah, you craft the warp.
Oh, okay lah.
I saw the warping point. Just need to craft.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Let's see.
You really don't look at your surroundings, do you?
Haven't had enough time to explore, so don't know.
But it's literally when you alight the ship.
I don't have the option to craft it.
Yeah, we cannot craft it. Need to unlock.
The any luck finding anything?
This looks interesting. This is a taro. Oh, it's a ginger.
No. Let's check some. This one there, upstairs. This one.
Where? Which one?
No. Okay, nothing much. Nothing normal coconut. You see coconut on the tree, just shake. Yeah, let's shake. Where is she? Bloody hell.
I see coconut on your tree. Can I shake?
What's the thing? Huh?
Can shake.
Huh?
Blue discus.
Oh, where's the blue one?
Journal scraps.
Where you bitch? This bitch, where you? Oh. 誰でもいないよ. Oh, hardwood to end this chest. Okay, we have enough hardwood. Very good. Stones, iron bars. Iron bars, stone, hardwood. And wood to end this chest. Oh. Okay, then I will do all this. Then you go to Ginger Island. I will go in. Let's see how many ND.
Wait, is that Andy that child?
Eh? The one that's staying at Mani's house?
No. I don't know. It's one of the child thing.
Where does Andy stay inside you? Well, Andy is the owner of Fair Haven Farm in Cedar Forest. Oh, that guy! Okay. I see. That one, the single man.
Single man
I'm not technically not wrong. Right?
with the Joja cap.
Yeah, it shows Duga caps on. Damn it, the bitch cannot find her. Never mind. I go do the task. Yeah.
22 walnut.
Hold on. Get it off your phone. Where's my stuff right here?
There's so many hardwood tree here.
Really?
Yeah, the
How
mahogany
many
tree.
hardwood do we have? I have to check.
About 300.
300. How many this guy need? I need just 75. Okay, take it done. Okay, 75 hardwood. I think he wanted more wood. 100 wood. 100 wood, okay. 100 wood, furniture shop wood. 500 wood, and 15 iron bars. We have wood. Oh, iron bar and 500 stone. Right. Stone. Yes, we have enough. Yeah. Okay, very good. I will go and find him. Whether he's open, yeah. Maybe tomorrow. Let's leave the stuff here first. Let's go and find him. Maybe she's here. Have you upgraded your trash can to iridium?
No.
Man, what a waste. You can reclaim the value.
True.
Yeah, man, looks no.
How late?
Okay,
Oh.
come back.
I found one of those statted letters, and it states that some of the golden coconut need to use a slingshot to whack it down.
They're floating in water.
Yeah. Didn't program properly, that's why.
You can do a shortcut by going to the King's Day and then teleport back home. Yeah. Right?
Maybe.
You there, but stop back home. Their side. On top. On top. What to do?
I'm annoying you. I'm doing what you always do to me.
You still annoy me some more?
Yeah. I'm taking revenge. How do you feel? Annoyed?
summer is almost over. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go to Queen's house. Summer fish. Okay. What's the line? The lines and the okay. Never mind, never mind. Please. 2 days.
This one is final day.
Just be okay. Oh, but they told you for the cat there. See? How expensive was worth it.
Yeah.
It's not for cat, it's for it.
Yes. Like the Sherry Oak Kiss.
You can put almost circle in the room though.
Almost. What?
Inner circle, like how do I put it? You get what I mean, right? That means you go to the middle of the room and then put one round around it.
Yeah, you can.
Do that also. And then I got some more room upstairs, so no.
Yeah, upstairs and below.
Way lots of room. Whatever you want. After dinner, okay, good. Why is she staying at home? This little bitch. Oh, she's staying home. Ah, already. Okay, good. Okay, okay, ending. That's totally fine. Ending. Andy, remember of the Andy.
And unlock.
Yeah, undead unlock.
Huge show. Oh, I'm just going to close this picture. Dana. Where do you need to put it? You need to tell us right? Seller. All right, here. Really? Am I tripping? Really? Right.
What happening?
And this chest is oh right there, I'm so stupid. Oh yes, a sunfish. I want a sunfish. I need the sunfish. What is guys, you mouse? Eh shit, alamak, apa?
Stupid.
Okay, since you're in the farm, right, can you come down and pass me iron bar? I forget I put back.
How many you need? How many you need?
15. 15 forgot about it. Yeah. Hey, wait, hold on. I'm going to take copper bar to be iron bar. Too slow.
Yeah.
I'll meet you in between. Catch 5 sunfish. Yeah, but sunfish frenzies. Blah, 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 blah. Too many things to do. Bye. Thank you. Good. sunfish. Yo, the training started already. I'm late to the party, man. Lunch. Okay, okay. Okay.
Is there an easier way to get wood?
I don't think so.
Just buy from Robin.
No. Let's go. I mean, if you're winning with my money, how much you need to do it? Oh, slowly. Sunfish. Let's go.
Why do you need sunfish?
I have a quest to complete.
I see. I thought you're doing the collections.
No. 5. I need 5 of it. What the fuck? What is this? Running like mad. Oh. Oh. Oh, my goodness, the heart beat okay. Dorado. Oh, no.
Yeah, I unlocked Dorado.
Huh?
Have I unlocked Dorado? See.
I don't know about you, but for me, I just got my first Dorado.
No, that's the kind of question you always ask. Yeah, I also don't know how to reply.
I'm asking myself rhetorical questions as you can tell. Oh my god.
Obviously, I can't tell. I answer everything.
Right, okay.
Sunfish only, guys. Why is there no sunfish? The carrot at her big yellow sweet. Perhaps some.
Try and take
Nah, not possible one. It is here. Okay. Three more. Omega Shivas.
sunfish.
Never sunfish.
We're waiting for the sunfish frenzy.
Never lah. Nothing matters. It's not checking. I just want to
Dorado
finish them.
complete.
Yeah. I like how we can finally see the future. Why is like so weird? Like it's like not see anything.
Cannot see better, ma.
I prefer to see. That's why I know what I'm touching. Right? Doesn't make sense. Otherwise it's like bordered in darkness. Sunfish don't have. No. Come on.
That would be good to farm next season. Spam star fruits?
要考虑看过讲没有sunfish 的哦。
有可能晚上了。
那突然间他没有聊，这个多么聊，没有这个多么聊。Let me try the other side.
Yo, what the fuck is corn juice?
Yeah.
Where's my vodka?
Ask yourself, how the hell you gonna get contribution?
You know there was this one quest where we need to give Palm 10 potato juice.
Contribution from where on? Point inside then you.
Because we are out of star fruits.
Yeah.
You know the quest where we need to give Palm 10 potato juice. And then we know that Palm loves to drink. I was so sure that she was asking for vodka. Because vodka is fermented potato.
And then,
Yeah, and then when the eggs come out, not vodka, it's called potato juice or whatever. Fuck.
correct what she asked for potato juice.
Yeah, I mean, yes, but when you...
There is, I mean, it's, I mean, potato juice, maybe the way it's in simpler terms for you, it's vodka lor.
No, you put it in simpler terms, it's potato juice.
Yeah, that's true. Right.
Disappointment.
How many people message you on Discord?
You can hear.
What shower do you think?
Should mute it.
Like, who is it? No,
What do we do? So, tomorrow anything? Any food? You want duck? Craving for duck? Let's go.
That was for random.
You want roast one or braised one?
Random.
Tomorrow last day reservist. 2 p.m. end. Okay, there you have it.
Okay. I thought it's loose, yeah.
Waita.
I'm just wondering, if suddenly one day already got some Zamo flirt with you, what will you do?
What will I do? That's different lah. I'm not gonna do anything.
Yeah, how are you gonna reply then?
Like how I reply you? How do I reply you? You send a text, I reply K. You send a text, can we do this? Then I reply can.
Also, those one word.
Yeah, I reply you the same way.
How about it's not in text, it's like in real life?
Yeah, I say the same thing in real life. Doing my job, I say the exact same word. It's like,
Do you really enjoy talking to me?
yeah. Why?
No, I don't feel convinced.
Yeah, it's okay. You don't have to feel convinced. No one is convinced talking to me.
I'm curious about this quest though, but I'll do it later. No rush anyway. It's not very hard. I don't know it's very hard. Sunfish, I still have 2 more days, so dive you go there.
I want to pee.
Okay. I'll go take a drink.
なるほど。なるほど。さすがに分かった。なんだ
Huh?
No, I'm just thinking because this company is EXEXL. So I'm just thinking what's the difference between the EXE that I used to work in. I mean, I'm still technically in AXA, but no more already my EXE. No, I'm just thinking AXA XL was the difference. So it's actually a subsidiary of Global Insurance and Reinsurance Company for AXA. なるほど。何言ってるの But they deal with different kind of business. They do deal with more to commercial business and reinsurance. So it's a bit different. That makes sense.
EXA by XL.
A bit complicated lah because it's for reinsurance also. Do you know what does the reinsurance do?
Nope.
They basically cover the basically it's like they cover the risk for the insurer, something like that.
Oh, risk insurance.
No, they are the reinsurer, so they cover the risk for the insurance company.
Oh, re-insurance.
So which means we also insurance company also have risk, so we need some form of risk coverage also, so kind of the reinsurer kind of actually. Yeah, something along that line.
Then who's gonna cover the re-insurance? it's a never-ending loop.
Like yeah, right.
It's a recursive function.
Hey, my baby can walk already. Finally, hey, oh my god, walk very so fast.
It's not walking, it's running.
Because I'm like, yeah, he fall down there. I'm sure the kid really will, suddenly like walk, and then suddenly they start running. Then they just fall down.
Yeah.
Would that happen?
Yeah, that's a good thing. It's a good thing. It's a good thing they fall down. Falling down for the first few times is a good thing.
Oh, money so good, I give me so much pay.
Oh yeah. Can you go down to money and buy hay? Since we got the money, just buy like 1,000.
Hey, we got so much money now. Finally, we are not broke. Okay. Got something. No.
What's 50 times 20?
1,000?
Oh, one cake is 1,000. Okay, I'm spamming it.
Oh shit, I forgot I need to do my sunfish mission first. Before the money thing. Yeah, but actually sunfish maybe, yeah. Actually go money first, money. Oh, okay, let's go. The cafe. I need to go money on fast game. Fast game. Supplies, please. What's the maximum zero?
Press and hold shift and control, and then right click, left click together.
What's the zero can hold again, remember?
1,920. Yeah, if you press down shift and control at the same time, you buy 25 by 25. Okay lah, then wait now. 1,000个就够了。
You can only buy 999. You cannot buy more than that, right? Can. I was just testing the system. The money. Okay, I need to fish. Let's go. Do you know that this guy actually likes coffee? Well, like,
Yep.
or like,
Yep, I give him coffee every day
wow,
or every few
yeah,
days.
so hard with you then.
Yeah, he's a doctor. Of course, he likes coffee.
Ah,
I guess depends what.
It's like the engineer also loves coffee.
I used not like coffee though actually.
Then I slowly.
Yeah, I bet you were a tea person.
Yeah, before I was a tea person, I'm converted now. Not say converted, but I mean I still like drink tea, but like I must have coffee now. Last time it's like I can go with the coffee.
Yeah.
I'm a converted believer.
GG.
I
No, tea
I
is
only
much
can drink 2 cups.
tea is much cheaper than coffee.
That's true, not wrong.
But again depends on what type of tea you buy.
Hmm.
If you buy the PWG kind of brand.
TWG is not that expensive.
Really made.
My
Yeah.
brother to buy it. I
Not
think
like,
if the book tea for him, you can buy PWG. My book diction that you understand.
TWG
Done.
is just a branding.
Yeah, he like branded stuff.
It's not that the tea is actually good. I mean, it's decent, but it's not like very, very good.
Yeah. I mean,
My brother likes to more branded.
So,
Yeah, I can tell. Yeah, Rolex.
Huh?
Rolex.
Yeah lah, wait.
Beef Wellington. Gordon Ramsay. Yeah, anything that got name, brands.
No,
Right.
it's impressionable.
I was enjoying playing with it. Right, maybe it's more that I would play here.
Oh, look at the chow. Look at the chow. Look at what he's doing.
Just sitting down and chilling.
No. Look at it. Look at the moving animation.
Eh? What the fuck? That's weird. Sounds good creepy. Nice. Oh, neat. I don't find reading. Which character in Stardew do you hate the most?
I don't know, man.
I kind of hate Harvey the most.
You just because you read some threads online about him waiting for you outside 2 a.m.
It's annoying that they don't touch the money. Yeah. Nice. Okay, very good.
Okay.
Oh, I played all the missions. Very good. Currently we are at year 4. Layers how Oh, nice. Year 2. Year this one. Medium splitter. I guess what you need.
Yep.
Oh, next one is bomb. Very good. How is it? なるほど。Do you have 20 iron ore?
Maybe, I don't know. Need to write check.
How come do you go of you? Yeah, you stay until like that we can access it.
Cannot.
Then why you putting it there for? Oh,
Automation.
okay. Alright, do. No, we don't have enough. Oh no. Let's get the bone there. Mm-hmm. Look at the number of hay we have now. Hay. No. My God. Someone having fun at me in my house.
It's no longer your house. Our house. We
What the hell?
communist.
Eh? You do realize that if you're going to put it like this, you cannot access the thing of like right?
Yeah, we cannot.
And then,
It's either I block here or I block here.
put one cast here lah.
Where?
Then put it here lor, for space one.
What do you mean?
Move here.
You try and move, but it won't be connected, right?
Oh, then I might put this.
But
Put here.
but it won't be connected. It has to connect. It has to be one straight line.
Okay, what should I?
No, it
Okay.
stops here. It might need to connect on top.
Oh, yeah, then what? Give me a while. Yeah. Don't lock this bit down. That's all about it.
Let me try. Let me try and play with some beer. What if the whole kitchen's connected?
Let me think.
Could there be a possibility that the
You
entire...
want to connect like that, right?
Yeah. But
Yeah.
you don't move anything. No, it did not connect. How about here? No, it didn't connect as well. So it doesn't take from...
Maybe I'll move the.
Oh, wait, never mind.
Hmm.
Only works in cellar.
Oh. Which means that this one, yeah, there is a fridge here to be connected. Otherwise,
Right.
so only the cellar, then they cannot put all.
Okay, can.
Then all this cannot use that.
Can. In the cellar.
No.
Yeah, we have another cellar.
The one that grandpa shared.
Yes.
Then use that one then.
Why do you take away the telephone?
No, I just want to move things. Wait, let me see what I want to move.
Oh, I'm so smart.
What?
Right. Holy shit, this baby runs like mad.
Runs faster than you now.
Yes, I'm like, what the fuck? Everyone has them, that's weird.
Okay, off to Grandpa's house.
But lucky the baby don't know the door of the house.
Oh my god. Imagine. Oh shit, you need to find it. I don't think I actually can. Hold on.
Maybe you can't. Oh no. I just put the pants here.
Okay, work.
Let's go get some more. Don't let him smell. Be done. You know all this thing. I want to have this go with the beach. Wait, you want the iron all this right?
Why, dear?
Why?
Coping.
Cannot.
I also don't have more money.
How much the phone call doing? Somebody.
Let's try.
Here, let me get out of here.
Oh my god, this is power, man. Oh my god.
Only you can put the tractor in the greenhouse.
There's something on space though. I don't think. And I don't think also can not very fast, not super fast play. What a game. You want to kill yourself?
Put in my house just
Oh.
specifically the one that's connected to all the kegs.
Oh. Mm. Mm. Right, okay. know you want to come. Okay, right now. You got that. Nice. Mm.
2、4、8、10、12、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23、24、25、26、27、28、29、30、31、32、33、34、35、36、37、38、39、40、41、42、43、44、45、46、47、48、49、50、51、52、53、54、55、56、57、58、59、60、61、62、63、64、65、66、67、68、69、70、71、72、73、74、75、76、77、78、79、80、81、82、83、84、85、86、87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, Nope, not this chest. The ones that connected to all the tags.
Yikes. Oh, cool. It's free? Oh, nice. Okay.
Yep. I bought it just now, but you didn't sound very interested, so I moved it down.
I wasn't paying attention to something else. What? Oh. I thought it was like in the play.
I guess it's okay.
Oh, nice.
Alright, time to sleep.
Maybe this question not very ugly. Mwah.
Change ah.
Hmm?
Change ah.
Did you just say more Batman?
Yeah. It's okay, you didn't realize it's okay. But change the wallpaper.
Mm.
You're spoiled for choice.
Mhm. Mm.
I don't know. You know, what's the clear perspective?
Ah, okay, nice. Let's see.
Knowing your tongue give it loose.
Let's put that on.
I have a coffee bean.
Is it me? Oh,
Cool.
I'm gonna try it.
Looks like coffee bean muffins. I think it's coffee bean. Oh, it's just basket. The charcoal is very cute. Like this. Oh, I can do the rest. Okay. You just put hot shit on the floor.
Did I? The top room?
Allow it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
now. 主角一。
Oh, nice. I got the buff. Movement speed plus 5. Sa akin, like, blessing of speed.
Mình có điểm bật lên tập bóng. This one. Nice. This color. Đúng vậy. Đây là this color. Nãy có video看这个颜色还是这个颜色？
啊，你现在站的那一个。
你下个吗？Oh, nice. So much there. Can I do the whole room later?
You want to do the whole room? Do ah.
Later. Later wallpaper looks very nice. That's really interesting. Yay. Nice. Looks nice.
Yep, looks good.
Yeah, I could do the color.
15 times 5 times 3 minus 3 times 3 times 3.
Oh, okay, sorry, good night. Oh, I didn't realize we missed out this one. And now I'm like busy decorating them.
Enjoying yourself?
Yes, sir.
Vivi. Vivi is running around here.
Oh, thank you.
Ready to what? Wrong? What?
Okay.
No, let's do right.
Wow. 8点，不是 9 p.m. already.
Not now anyway.
I just setting up the farm. It's nighttime already.
And I've been good to playing with.
Try this one.
Vivi, hang on. I am done with the house decoration.
I'm still watering the plants.
Wait, let me see if all the trees now.
Not for this one.
What do you think of this design though? That's not the floor, not the flooring no work, it's just the hardwood. This design.
Okay lah, can lah.
Okay, I feel
It's quite niche, but you know.
okay. Nice.
It's not very floor. What you doing?
Swapping crops.
No, not the rest of it.
Hmm. 我对一下去睡了。
Last this.
Yep.
Okay.
We'll just look the map.
Oh, moonlight. Jellyfish.
Little fish, what about it?
Nah, I can skip.
You're going to cut the wood for the video.
What wood?
The trees here, wood here.
Oh, those trees are the one that I put neatly next to each other. That one don't cut.
Oh, okay.
Getting oak resins through the sapphires. This is to craft more kegs. And with the kegs we have more wine. And with the wine we have more money. But the tree here you can chop.
Which one? Oh, wait.
Let's chop those fully grown one.
Nani?
Yeah, chop.
Come on.
Just don't chop the oak trees. Yeah, that's all. The other tree can chop.
That's hardwood, yeah, right.
Here's the one I planted.
Just leave the oak tree alone. You can chop the rest.
Even you?
Huh?
Never mind.
You can't.
Why?
Oh, we want to chop down my tree. You euthanize.
Not explain yourself with rice, I mean.
What does that mean? I don't know.
Egg
Bro. Yeah, actually. Then, then, someone.
Pretend, pretend to be what?
Never mind.
Oh, I don't know.
One though, but no.
Blessing or friendship? You gain extra friendship from speaking to people. In that case, I'm gonna speak to everyone.
Does it count to mine on?
No, you need to talk to the statue.
I feel like they're all thinking for me here.
Yeah, that's how they are programmed.
Damn, there's a lot of them here.
Let's go in and break the sword. Actually, 我不要死掉。我的。Sir.
Okay, I think that works. I want to push them go in, but they don't want to go in. They don't want to go in. Oh, interesting. Nice. Okay then. Okay. これできないよな。Okay. I'm playing the machine. What the fuck? A bomb ejected now. Hold on. Okay. Had enough fun playing this game. Is this the last day of summer tomorrow? Oh yes, 要去睡觉，好累了。
Get first place in Stardew Valley Fair competition.
你试下。
Oh yeah, if you're gonna be playing tomorrow and then the Stardew Valley Fair competition come out, please wait for me to come online.
Okay.
Wait, this Stardew Valley thing is start a 4 or what?
Yeah, it's a fall event. Because you know, autumn is the harvesting season.
How about that? I will tell you.
Yeah, if you see the event coming up, wait for me. Because I want to unlock the achievement. Yeah, this way.
I'm not tiring to you, right?